Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. So we are actually on our way to the Ultima to install our Kuro Red heart-shaped Jdm Tsurikawa. Alright, you guys, it is finally here. Sky, she wanted to say hi. It is finally here. Japan Post. Car parts from Japan. Safety handle plastic. It is technically a safety handle, but hi Sky. Hi. She wanted to say hi. Ah! Nope. Okay, wait. Check it out. Jdm Tsurikawa. Oh yeah. Let's see how it is. Oh, that is sick. Oh, that's sick. I cannot wait to put that on the Ultima. You could do Olympics with this. That's funny. That's sick, man. Nice. It's a bit smaller than expected, but it's still pretty cool, man. Look at that. Oh, I love my baby. I love my car. Let's go. When in doubt, please Boso. You already know. And JDM. Let's get it. Alright, ladies and gentlemen. So, for those of you who don't know, a Tsurikawa is basically a safety handle, otherwise known as a drift handle. I got this one at jdmtsurikawa.com. They have a whole bunch of varieties, from the original circle Tsurikawas to the heart-shaped ones. They even have bamboo, you know, and it's all your preference. I got the Kuro Red to match the Ultima Red, and honestly, I like how the heart-shaped one looks. I think it's pretty cool. So, a little history behind the Tsurikawa. So, it originated in Japan, and it was for the Bozuzoku, like, Bozuzoku was motorcycles and cars. Motorcycles were like, they would vandalize and do like all this bad stuff, you know, but for the Bozuzoku cars, they actually like had these really obnoxious upgrades to their cars. Like, it's pretty cool, you know, if you're into that. I think it's pretty cool, but it was very obnoxious. They had all these different body panels. They had mufflers that were 6 feet long shooting up into the sky, you know, and it was like an act of rebellion. And in Japan, actually, in the subways or in the trains, rather than having the poles how we do in America, if you didn't have a place to sit, there were actually these little handlebars that you would just hang on to. Yeah, they were still like attached to the poles and whatnot, but it wasn't the pole itself. It had a little handlebar. And with this, with the Tsurikawa, they actually, the Bozuzoku people, since they wanted to be rebellious and this and that, like, they actually would take these from train stations and they would put them on their cars. So whenever they're drifting or doing stunts, donuts, whatever the case may be, all that crazy fun stuff, you know, and they had a passenger with them, rather than like their passenger holding onto the door panels or something, they would actually take these off of the trains and stick them in their car, so their passengers could then hold on to that. Hence the word safety handle, or drift handle for that matter. But that's the story behind the Tsurikawas. I found it very interesting, and I was like, dude, I need one. So here we go. I got my Tsurikawa, and we're actually gonna see where is the best place to mount it. Alright, so the installation for this is quite simple. Just 2 little screws and that's it. Only thing is, you have to find out where you want to mount it. Should I mount it here and just have this like hanging right there, or I could actually mount it right here? And you know what, I think I'm gonna mount it there. I'm gonna try that. I could picture it, and I like how that would look in photos, just there you see the heart in the background. I think that'd be pretty sick, so let's get to it. Alright, so I've decided I'm gonna mount it right here, right where the sun visor is. So I have my nifty little tool here. You could just use a regular Phillips screwdriver, but I keep this one in my car. It has like flathead and all these different types of screw heads. But just undo these two. Oh shit. Undo these two screws. I hope you guys could see it because I'm not sure. There's one. And there is two. Alright, so it also comes with these little metal tabs. It has one on the inside and one on the outside, inner outer part. Just be sure to not lose those. Also, you don't want your little tab to fall off. But let's see how that'll work. Actually, okay, that works. Alright, so I'm gonna put the Tsurikawa right here, and unfortunately this won't be able to close all the way, but it'll still be able to close like that, and I think that's all that really matters. You won't be able to tell that this is unhooked, so let's get to it. Leave it like that. Wow, that does look pretty sick. I like that. Let me know what you guys think. Just close this up. Okay, so you just put it in like so, metal tab, screw, cloth tab, and then metal tab at the very end, like so. Just turn it a few times so it could lock in place. Oh wait, what the hell am I doing? I have to put it on the